Hey folks, shotgun here, the opener in Iowa. Hunted out at a buddy's this morning, and saw a lot of deer, but nothing I could get a shot at. I got a doe tag for this county. I've got my buck tag. The farm I'm on right now, I've got trail cameras of a big split G2 buck. I really want to shoot him bad. And there's an 11 pointer out here every once in a while, and I'd take a shot at him too. So we'll see how the night goes. Stay tuned. I tell you what, been sitting out here for about 4 hours now, and family farm. I've had a lot of trail cam pictures of a big buck with a split G2, and I was hoping to get him, but I've had a lot of pictures of him too, and he's a beautiful deer. I call him L. I just watched that Stranger Things, so he's an 11 point. Nice buck. I think he's pretty old from what I can tell in the pictures anyway. He's broke one of his tines off, and I saw that in a trail cam pitch, but I wasn't going to let that deter me from shooting him. He's a real nice buck, so we're going to go down and get him here. He's beauty. Stay tuned. Here we go, folks. This is a buck that I call L. He's nice 11 pointer, real thick. Buck that I've had some history with this year. Been watching him on trail cameras on this farm. I knew I wanted to shoot him. I was after him with the bow all year. Just never saw him. Broke one point off. I knew I was still going to shoot him if I seen him though. This is a dandy buck. Got the job done here in Iowa. First shotgun season. I'd like to say thank you to all of our sponsors: Dalby Designs, Cedar Basin's Bath Essentials, Whitetail Institute of North America, the Close Grip Bow Handle. Special thanks to Mrs. Dopey's Buck Lures. Been using them this year, and I saw just an incredible amount of deer. So hopefully the rest of the guys can get the job done as well. Stay tuned. You're watching Floogie Outdoors.